The process of writing a resume can be difficult without the right tools and advice. Where do you start? What's the right format, and how do you stand out from the crowd? It's the number one topic in our career advisor calls. Let me show you how to build a professionally formatted resume using iHire's Resume Builder. With your new resume, you'll get through the applicant tracking systems and get that interview.
The Portfolio and Resume Builder can be found on the Resume tab of the website. I'm on iHire Hospitality for demo purposes, but the tool works the same on all iHire sites. First, we need to populate the portfolio because the information in the portfolio is used to build the resume. The easiest way to populate the portfolio is by uploading a recent resume. After the resume is uploaded, the information will be parsed into the My Portfolio tool. Once your portfolio is complete, you can build a resume. To build a new resume, from My Resumes, click Add, Build from My Portfolio. The Resume tool allows you to build a resume using any one of our templates. On the first page of the builder, choose the resume template that's right for you. There are 4 different resume types to choose from, and each section gives a brief description of different resume strategies. If you want to learn more about how to use these strategies, click Learn More. A career advice article will explain everything. Selecting Preview allows you to see how your information will be displayed on the resume. The majority of people will use a chronological template. When you find a template you like, click Select. The next step is choosing one title and summary for the top of your resume. This information is populated from the Job Titles and Summary area of My Portfolio. After you've completed a section, click Next. All of your work experience is checked by default. If you would like to remove a job from the work experience, simply uncheck it. We recommend that you go back no more than 15 years on your work history. Next, choose the education you would like to include. Include any achievements you believe are relevant to the job that you're applying for. Include your professional affiliations. In the Skills section, you can check as many skills as you'd like to include in your Skills section of the resume. At the end of the building process, you'll be able to review your new resume and make any changes. Remember that if there are any spacing issues, those issues can be corrected in the My Portfolio section. If you see something you'd like to change, simply click the section you'd like to edit, make those changes. I would like to remove the entire achievements section to get my resume down to 1 page, and click Finish. Now the resume is down to 1 page. If you decide you'd like to try another template, go back to the Template section, click another template, and click Finish. Once you're happy with a resume, don't forget to save it. Your new resume will be saved in your My Files section, where you can download it in different formats, edit, or delete it. Don't forget to run the resume review. This tool will score your resume for formatting, content, and give you an idea of what managers will see if your resume is put through an applicant tracking system. Whenever you need help with your resume, you can schedule a call with one of our resume analysts or hire one of our professional resume writers to do it for you.
Applying for jobs is so much easier when you have all of your resumes stored in one place on your iHire account. The iScore tool helps you to optimize your resume to increase your match percentage and get more interviews. Get in touch with your iHire career advisor or a resume analyst today if you need more help.